Uti tsaka si Gigi. Here we go.
Sino yan? Uti or GJ?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
At the same time?
Yeah. Why not settle? Why settle for one when you can settle for both?
Kaya mo yun? Paano?
Pa. Okay, here we go. What's that notice?
We are lasing at 8 a.m.
Oh.
Anak ng
Sumasagot
teteng.
to.
Dalawa sila niyan? Dalawa sila?
Dalawa sila. Kasi nga, di ba may condo ko, may condo. So, may group chat kaming tatlo. Si
Oh?
Ito yung condo ko.
May Memorial Day ba doon, Pilipinas? Wala yata.
Wala, hindi sumagot. Ay, panis, hindi sumagot.